little bird in the frozen air. Your song is soft, your nest is bare. The branches creak, the night is long, still you sing your fragile song. Chirp, bird, don't die. Hold your tune beneath the sky, through the cold, through the pain. Sing until the warmth remains. Winds may howl, the frost may bite, yet still you sing into the night. Your wings are weak, your feathers thin, but your song is where hope begins. Chirp, bird, don't die. Hold your tune beneath the sky, through the cold, through the pain. Sing until the warmth remains. Winds may howl, the frost may bite, yet still you sing into the night. Your wings are weak, your feathers thin, but your song is where hope begins. Chirp, bird, don't die. Hold your tune beneath the sky, through the cold, through the pain. Sing until the warmth remains. In your song, a spark of fire, a note of hope alone desire. Though the world may fall apart, your melody lifts the heart. Chirp, bird, don't die. Hold your tune beneath the sky, through the cold, through the pain. Sing until the warmth remains. Little bird in the frozen air, your song reminds us life is rare. And though the winter takes its toll, your fragile song restores the soul.